We're the very, very men of the midnight sun. We work for Santa and have a lot of fun with a hi-hi-ho and a hi-hi-hey. You better hurry up. Tomorrow's Christmas Day. Dear Santa Claus, I'd like a dolly. Merry Christmas from Will and Molly. Well, Molly seems to be okay. She eats her spinach every day. Ha ha ha. Get Molly a dolly. Ha ha ha. Dear Santa Claus, I'm Molly Brown. Here's a list of giant down one dog and a duck and a well, a cow and a pig and a silver tail, a barrel monkey, a pony and a trot, an elephant, a duck and a shark. Ha! I'll give him a Noah's Ark. Well, Molly Brown for 7 years hasn't walked behind his ears. Well, this I'm home. I'll just add a king of soap. Okay, king of soap. Ha 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 ha. Goodbye, my little minions. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I'm bringing toys to a million homes. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, good tidings we bring for you and your kids. We wish you a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. 'Twas the night before Christmas and all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. The children were nestled all snug in their wee little beds, while midgets that both danced in their wee little heads. Ah, 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 ah. Ho 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 ho. And over the house pops and rain. And over the housetops and reindeer and sleigh, the children saw Santa Claus riding away. They heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight, "Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night."